Hi, I'm Billy Joe Cerquina. Today, I will present to you about the Spanish colonization.
Spanish colonial goals included economic expansions, viewing the Philippines as a gateway to Spice Island wealth, despite Portuguese and Dutch eliminations. Let's start with colonial policy. Spain colonized the Americas from 1492, starting with Christopher Columbus' arrival in 1451. Over 100,000 Europeans controlled over 10 million indigenous people in areas from Argentina to the US, including the Philippines. Spanish kings maintained control over citizens, authorities, and resources from a distance. The second one is colonial education. Education in the Philippines has evolved through various phases with informal, non-methodical, and unstructured practices. During racial struggles, leadership prioritized education to address societal demands. Let's go with colonial trade. Manila became a significant trading hub in the 17th and 18th century, attracting goods from China, Japan, Brunei, the Moluccas, and India. Next is colonial religion. Filipinos have a strong connection to Catholicism since the colonial era, despite its historical association with exploitation, elitism, and power. Despite its strong ties to Filipino identity, it is also central to social justice movements. And the last one is colonial legacy. Spanish colonialism in the Philippines introduced governance, law, and education, but also imposed social hierarchy and economic structures, affecting local populations and influencing modern Filipino identity. That's all, guys. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.